Welcome to our deep dive into BancFirst, an Oklahoma-based bank that has been making waves in the banking industry. Amidst the shifting currents of the banking sector, BancFirst has managed to stand tall, boasting an impressive performance that sets it apart from its peers. The bank has faced down the challenges of the industry with a robust deposit base, a testament to its trusted reputation and strong customer relationships. A noteworthy aspect of BancFirst's financial strategy is its significant portion of non-interest-bearing accounts, which play a critical role in its overall operations. However, even the most stalwart of banks aren't immune to the pressures of the industry. BancFirst has experienced the pinch of margin compression, impacting both its net interest margin and net interest income. Moreover, the ripple effects of the Durbin Amendment have been felt, leading to a dip in its non-interest income. Yet despite these headwinds, BancFirst has managed to maintain its footing. But how has this impacted its valuation? Let's find out. BancFirst's valuation has been a topic of hot debate. And why wouldn't it be? The valuation of a bank, or any company for that matter, is a critical factor when assessing its investment potential. In BancFirst's case, its valuation has been a subject of concern. Despite the bank's solid performance in a challenging industry environment, its valuation has not adjusted to reflect the anticipated dip in earnings. Now, let's add some context to this. The bank's net interest margin and net interest income have been squeezed by margin compression. Non-interest income, another significant revenue stream, has been hit by the Durbin Amendment, leading to a drop in pre-provision operating profit. These factors have led to an expected decline in earnings, which should ideally be reflected in the bank's valuation. But here lies the conundrum. BancFirst stock is currently trading at a high multiple of its tangible book value per share. This is a key metric used to value banks, and it indicates the bank's intrinsic value based on its net assets. When a bank's stock trades at a high multiple, it suggests that the market has high expectations for its future earnings growth. However, in BancFirst's case, with the expected dip in earnings, this high multiple seems out of sync with reality. With the bank's valuation soaring high, it's important to understand its financial health. So let's turn our attention to BancFirst's profits and cash flow. Profits and cash flow are the lifeblood of any business, and BancFirst is no exception. Now let's turn our attention to BancFirst's financial health, specifically its profits and cash flow. Like many banks, BancFirst has been grappling with the issue of margin compression. This phenomenon refers to the narrowing of the difference between the interest a bank earns on loans and the interest it pays on deposits. In BancFirst's case, margin compression has put a dent in its net interest margin and net interest income. This has been a challenging hurdle for the bank, as these are key sources of revenue. Adding to BancFirst's challenges is the Durbin Amendment, a regulation that limits the fees that banks can charge for debit card transactions. The impact of this amendment on BancFirst has been significant, leading to a noticeable decline in its pre-provision operating profit. It's a clear example of how external factors, such as regulatory changes, can directly affect a bank's bottom line. However, despite these headwinds, BancFirst's financial performance has remained relatively solid. This resilience is a testament to the bank's strong deposit base, particularly its non-interest-bearing accounts, which make up a substantial portion of its total deposits. In the face of these challenges, BancFirst has maintained its commitment to shareholder returns, offering a consistent dividend yield. This is an important consideration for potential investors, as it shows the bank's ability to generate cash flow even in tough times. Though the bank's profits and cash flow have been impacted, it's crucial to not overlook BancFirst's dividend yield and historic performance. This sets the stage for our next discussion, where we will delve into BancFirst's dividend yield and historic performance in more detail. Dividend yield and historic performance are essential indicators of a company's potential as an investment. Now let's delve into BancFirst's performance in these areas. BancFirst has consistently demonstrated a commendable track record in the banking industry. Its performance, in fact, stands strong when compared to its peers, a testament to its robust operational strategies. The bank has also maintained a strong deposit base, a significant portion of which comprises non-interest-bearing accounts. This strategic balance has played a critical role in the bank's financial health and resilience, even amidst the most challenging times. Now, let's consider BancFirst's credit quality. Its history reveals a steady picture, marked by low charge-offs and modest non-accrual loans. This is indicative of the bank's sound risk management practices and its commitment to safeguard its financial stability. Moving on to BancFirst's dividend yield. A company's dividend yield can provide insights into its profitability and potential as an investment. Although we do not have the exact figures here, it's crucial to examine this aspect when considering BancFirst as an investment opportunity. Now that we've taken a comprehensive look at BancFirst's financials and performance, it's time to answer the big question: is BancFirst a good investment opportunity? Investment decisions are rarely straightforward, and BancFirst's case is no different. The bank has shown resilience, boasting a strong deposit base and good credit quality. However, it has faced challenges such as margin compression and the impact of the Durbin Amendment on non-interest income. The valuation appears lofty, trading at a high multiple of tangible book value per share. Despite its solid track record, the question remains: is this the right time to invest, or should we wait for a more favorable entry point? Whether you decide to invest in BancFirst or not, remember that every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Always do your due diligence, and as always, happy investing.